So hello everyone, my name is Ashish and from today onwards we are going to start the MATLAB tutorial. Okay, so this is the one complete playlist for the beginner who wanted to learn the MATLAB from the scratch. Okay, so this is an introduction lecture to the MATLAB. So let's get started with this. What is a MATLAB? You should know this first. So the MATLAB stands for the Matrix Laboratory. Okay, it is a very high level programming language and interactive environment primarily designed for numerical computation, visualization and programming. Okay, though three different types of work we can do in a matrix laboratory. Those are numeric computation, visualization like data visualization and all, and programming we can do. So it is widely used in the engineering, scientific researches, data analysis and system modeling due to the powerful inbuilt function and the toolbox. So different functions are available, inbuilt functions are available, and different toolbox are available like the control system toolbox, basically machine learning toolbox. So different toolbox are also available that we can directly use. So MATLAB strength lies in the ability to handle the matrices. Okay, so it's a MATLAB stands for matrix laboratory. So overall data on which it works, that is the matrices. Okay, so its strength lies in the ability to handle the matrices, complex mathematical computation and large scale efficiency. Okay, so who developed this MATLAB? So the MATLAB was originally developed by Clive Moller, mathematician and computer scientist in the late 1970s. So Clive Moller is this person, and later this was commercialized in 1984 by the MathWorks. So MathWorks is a renowned company, you already know. So the co-founder by the Clive Moller, Jack Litter and Steve Bangert. Okay, so this is a simple introduction about the MATLAB. Okay, now why there is a need to use the MATLAB? So numerical computation. So first thing is numerical computation. We can do a lot many numerical data analysis in the MATLAB. Then visualization. Okay, so if we if we have very large data and if we wanted to visualize this, then that time visualization tool in the MATLAB will definitely help us to visualize in very easy way. Then ease of use, basically it is a very user friendly environment MATLAB will provide in command box and everywhere. So that is very easy to use. Even if you are not expert of the things, then also MATLAB will help you to do your task. Then application in research and industry, the people in the research field and industry, they can also use the MATLAB, okay, to start their research, to have any idea to implement in some software environment. Then only people can use the MATLAB. Then prototyping and simulation. Okay, so if you have any idea in your mind, then you don't have to go directly for doing the hardware. Okay, because if you directly go on hardware, then you have to do it so many times. But if you have the MATLAB, then you can do the simulations and all, and you can basically simply understand what components we need and what how to tune the controller and on what basically controller parameter we need. So everything you can do in MATLAB, and then you can go on the hardware part. So that is why there is a very high need of the MATLAB. Then features and tools available. What are the different features and tool available in the MATLAB? So basically simple interactive environment MATLAB have. Okay, I will show you how the interface of the MATLAB will look like. Then built-in functions, so many functions are there, like mathematical function, basically graphical function, exponent function, and many more functions are there which are there in the MATLAB. You don't have to write down the code for this function. You can directly write down their name and call them and use them. Okay, so very high built-in functions are there. Then toolboxes. So MATLAB every 6 months MATLAB version will basically upgraded and new toolboxes are added. So very two different types of the toolbox, like the control system toolbox are there, deep learning toolbox are there, network toolbox are there. So various toolboxes are there which you can use and basically directly you can access them. Then visualization tools are there for data analysis and all. Then simulation and data import and export. So data import and export, sometimes you get the raw data in Excel form or in some other form, then you have to analyze it. So MATLAB have that feature that you can import the data from the outside also. Okay, and then you can analyze it in the MATLAB environment. Then some advanced features are also there, like the app designer, parallel computing, machine learning and AI, interacting with the other languages. Okay, so basically integrating with the other languages. So you can basically MATLAB can be integrated with the C language, C++, and many more languages. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. Then code generation, sometimes you are not expert in the coding, so you will use the Simulink environment for using the blocks. You are going to make your some sort of the circuit, right? Then if you wanted to get the code, so basically MATLAB have this provision that it will convert this particular thing into the code, and you can use that code, okay, for basically in your environment, right? So the code generation, cloud and on premise development deployment is also there, and MATLAB online and mobile. So MATLAB you can access basically in browser also. If you have the software, then you can use in your laptop computer. Then in mobile also the MATLAB will definitely work. Okay, so that is the few advanced feature which MATLAB have. Now we will move to the MATLAB window, and I will show you that how MATLAB will look like. Okay, so this is the MATLAB. I have R2023A version. Okay, so you can see on your screen. So this is, once you open the MATLAB, some sort of window will come. So what are the different things are there? So you can see that this is the command window. So here you can write down anything. Okay, and the things will be taken here. So this is called as the command window. Let us say I will write a equal to 5 and enter. So basically the things are here written down. So you can write down the code and anything here just for your analysis. Okay, so this is the command window. On your left hand side you can see that this is workspace. Whatever the things you will write it down here, if they are the variable or matrix. Okay, so these are the variable. Every element is stored in the form of variable or either in the matrix. Okay, so this workspace will be used to have the data. Like I have save here a equal to 5, so a equal to 5 will be stored here. Okay, so this is the workspace where variable and matrices will be stored. Then this is the current folder path, where the different which folder you are currently working on, so you can see here. Okay, now there are on the top of, you can see that there is one Simulink block. Okay, so if you don't want to code and if you want to go in the different environment of the Simulink, where you can use the network block and basically few more things, then you can use this particular Simulink block as well. Okay, if you have watching my channel from previously, then you will understand that we have seen so many MATLAB simulations. Okay, then there is a few things like a new script. Okay, so this is the command window. Okay, now you have to link a few things with the your Simulink file. Then you need a one script file. Okay, so if you click on the script, then you can be here. Okay, so there you can write it down the things. Okay, and this is our script file. Okay, so here you can make one script file. The script file is again called of the command window, but this is some sort of different thing. So you can use this in basically you can run this particular thing and you can execute different commands here. Okay, we will see all this thing in detail in the upcoming classes. Then there is another thing, that is a new live script. Okay, so the live script is something very powerful than the simple script. So here you can or side by side you can analyze the data as well. You can write it down the code and analyze the data in side by side. Okay, so this is a live script model. Then basically new folder, new basically script, live script, you can make a function, live function classes, and different things are there. Okay, then for importing the data, as I told you that you can import the data directly. Then there are the variables and all. So, okay, you can make a new variable or you can directly create a new variable here. Then again few more things are run and time. Okay, if you want to run, when you will open the script file, then you will find out the run window. Now this is the add-on feature. Okay, so what are the different add-on features? So you can manage add-on, what are the different toolboxes and all which are there inside your uh, software. You can find out from here. Okay, if you click on the add-on, you can find out that what are the different add-ons are available. Okay, so you can see it is just running. Okay, I have click on add-on, so you can see that so different types of the add-ons are available: MATLAB test, MATLAB report generator. So these are the different add-ons which are there in my PC. Then there is a one more thing: if some add-ons are not there, you can go and click here, that is a get add-on. From get add-on you can add different add-ons also. Okay, so it is just running. I will show you once. So here you can see that different laboratories are there. So whatever, if few laboratory at the time of the installation. If you don't have that toolbox, then you can add this toolbox as well from here, okay, from the get add-on. So this is about the introduction. So with this I will conclude this lecture. So closing note on the MATLAB is a MATLAB versatility and the ease of use make it a preferable choice for the student, researcher and the professional across the industry. So thanks for watching. In the next class we will see in actual.